We are back with Ocean Rush. We now check out one of the most unique competitions in all the world, the North Shore Tow and Surfing Championships on the island of Oahu. Competitors from all over the globe battled out in some massive North Shore surf.
The conditions are good. It's epic out there. It's throwing some big barrels out there, so we hope to do well. And because of the size, the strategy is gonna count a lot. You know, there's only a few sets per heat, so whoever catches the set is gonna do well.
I think relaxing and just thinking of it that way, it helps your psyche to just calm down and just do what you know how to do. You know, I've been surfing for 35 years. Yuri's been surfing for 20, and it's I think it's just relaxing and just doing what you normally would do on a regular surf day, and it's so much easier with tow surfing because you don't have to paddle in. We paddled in for 30 years, and now for the last 5 or 6 years we've been like doing the tow in, and it's a good transition.
One of the most important aspects of being a big wave surfer has nothing to do with physically riding the wave. Yet it is one of the most important elements of being a successful surfer: courage. Without it, none of these riders would be able to face the challenge of these incredible waves. When others' hearts start to pound faster and faster, these athletes have the courage to face their fear, let go of it, and relax, letting the wave and fate determine the outcome of their next ride.
I think, you know, experience definitely plays a big factor when you're towing in as a team. You know, you're dealing with a whole different animal out there, and in retrospect, years of knowledge definitely seems to help our ability to make good decisions.
I think the key out here is going to be the teamwork, and the teams that are tight and make their tight pickups and stuff. You can get caught inside, you have a bad thing, make a bad choice. Good solid teamwork and knowing what the other guy's thinking and can do, and I think that's probably the most important thing.